In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change install games location in Bluestacks. While Bluestacks doesn't let you pick a custom Windows-style install path for each game, you can control where the heavy game data ends up. The simple idea is to remove the game, then reinstall it so Bluestacks writes its data to the storage location you're already using for your instance. This helps keep big downloads off your primary drive without complicated file moves. Before we begin, a quick note. This works best if you've already set Bluestacks to store its user data on the drive you prefer, or you're running an instance that lives on that drive. Also, make sure the game you're moving is backed up through a cloud save or account login. Many titles sync progress via Google Play Games or an in-game account, but local-only data may not carry over after an uninstall. Finally, confirm you have a stable internet connection and enough free space on the target drive because large games will re-download their resources during reinstall. Start by removing the game from Bluestacks. From the home screen or the app drawer, press and hold the game's icon until you see the context options, then choose Uninstall. Confirm the prompt. This only removes that specific game. It won't touch your other apps or your Bluestacks instance. Give it a moment until the icon disappears so you know it's fully uninstalled. Next, reinstall the game. Open the Play Store inside Bluestacks, search for the same title, and tap Install. Because your instance is already using the new storage location, the game's data will now be written there as it downloads. The initial app installs quickly, but on first launch, many games fetch additional files like OPB packs and patches, which can be several gigabytes. Let that process finish without interrupting it. When the game opens, sign back into the same account you used before so your progress syncs. If the game supports cloud saves, your levels and purchases should reappear automatically. If not, the app will start fresh, which is why confirming backup or account linkage beforehand is important. Take a minute to check the settings and graphics options. Some games reset preferences after a reinstall. That's all there is to it. By uninstalling and reinstalling, you're telling Bluestacks to place the game's heavy data where your instance lives, helping you free up space on your main drive. If you have multiple titles you want moved, repeat these two actions for each one. It's a straightforward way to keep storage organized while continuing to enjoy your games inside Bluestacks.